Good afternoon, everybody. I'm out here to do a project for our chickens and our goats. As you can see in the background here, there's the goat barn and the chicken coop is over there. So we're going to use the tire here and a couple other tires that I'm going to roll over. We're going to dig a hole. We're going to bury the tires a little bit. The chickens and the goats are going to be able to use this both to have fun, so that's why we're putting it in. I'm going to have fun putting it in, and hopefully you'll have fun watching. Got a little white wall on this one, doing her old school today. Alright, so now that we got our tires over here, I'll outline the project a little better. We're going to take and bury the tires so the goats can climb on top of the tires and the chickens can hide out underneath them. We're also separately going to dig an area into the dirt for the chickens to go in for cover and to take dirt baths and dust baths. And then also we're going to dig a little bit of a deeper hole somewhat separate from that, which is going to be a watering hole for the goats and the chickens. So I'll get started on that now, and I'll give you some shots of digging this dirt up. And this is some fertile dirt, so we're lucky to have it. Alright, here's our spot. Now we picked this spot. This is going to be the watering hole, and the reason why we chose this spot right here and this area in general is for sunlight, and right above us is an opening in the canopy of our trees, and we're going to put our watering hole right underneath that so that the watering hole can be filled by rainwater without being blocked by the canopy of the trees above. And then the rest of the stuff we're probably going to place under the cover of the trees. So let's get started and we'll get to digging. Finding some roots in there, and those are probably from the mulberry trees right over here. We've got some mulberry trees, and they've got some expansive roots always. They're always having big roots. Alright, we'll check in when there's a little bit more progress. As you can see, we've done some digging, and we've drawn the curiosity of the animals too. They're growing curious about what we're doing. So we'll keep you tuned in. Alright everybody, here's where we are now. We dug out some more. The goats have officially made their way into the hole. And I'm going to test it out with some water now. But we're not going to warn her. We're going to test the drainage here, see how it holds water. We'll probably add some gravel. Alright, here we are everybody. We did the rest of the digging for the watering hole. The goats are totally into it. They're really wishing they could reach the little bit of water that's in there. I'm about to throw these bags of gravel in here that I've got prepared. And then I'm going to run the hose over here and fill it up with water. I know the chickens are curious too, but they're a little bit so far too timid to come and really get involved in any way. So. That might actually be enough gravel. I thought I was going to need more, but maybe that'll be enough. I'm just putting it in the bottom, I guess, to keep it from mucking up. One more bag. I think so. Let that do. Yeah, and I think this gravel is going to help to prevent erosion, so I'm going to add the rest of it in there. All right, now let's go get the hose, bring it over here, and fill it up. See how excited all the animals are. All right, the hose is in there. Let's run over and turn it on now. All right, here we are digging the tires into the ground for the little goat playground, and we're going to take this dirt pile here, make a little dirt ramp up onto the tires, and then yeah, the chickens came right over here to their new watering hole and they were loving it until I got busy again, and then they kind of ran off and found something else to do. Alright, here we are, guys. We're finally done here with the watering hole, the chicken tunnel, the goat ramp, and the chicken pit over here. I think that the chickens and the goats are both going to really enjoy this. I think this is going to be a good way for them to drink water. A lot of them are going to be able to drink at one time here. And I also think that our girls are going to have a lot of fun climbing on this new ramp of theirs and going through their tunnel, and I think they'll feel safe and comfortable over here in their chicken pit. So I'm happy to have that project done, and hopefully I might have inspired you to do something similar. If I did, feel free to share, and you can get a hold of us through our Roots to Blossom social media. And thanks for tuning in, and we're looking forward to growing the Roots to Blossom family. Here you go, chickens, here. So here we go, folks. Here it is in action. I've got the whole place lit up, dude.
Uh-huh.
Oh, let's get the treats and we'll cover. Whoa, Nelly, bub.
Magnolia almost ran over a chicken. The goat snacks or the chicken snacks?
What's that?
Are you looking for the goat snacks or the chicken snacks?
Well, I was just thinking about getting the chicken snacks. I know where they're at, but I wasn't sure if the chickens are too riled up or if they'll go for them. They'll probably go for them. I'll get the chickens. Right? Chicken. Oh! She just did a. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please help us grow by subscribing to our YouTube channel, visiting us at patreon.com/rootstoblossom homestead and facebook.com/rootstoblossom homestead. And you can get daily updates from us on Twitter at twitter.com/_roots-to-blossom. And finally, much of our content will be uploaded on our website, ourrootstoblossom.com, where we'll also be hosting a recipe blog. So we thank you for watching, and we hope you'll come back to watch more and be a part of our Roots to Blossom family.